Hey everybody, I'm Anthony from Crutchfield, and today we're going to talk about the Alpine PXE-0850S. It's a really cool 8-channel amplifier with a digital signal processing in it with 25 watts by 8 at 4 ohms, and they're non-bridgeable. What's cool about it is it's got 6 inputs, whether it's preamp or speaker level, which means you can use an aftermarket radio that you already have, or you can use your factory radio, so it's got tons of factory integration capabilities. So the really cool thing about this guy is the 12-channel 32-bit DSP and the 12 preamp outputs along with those powered outputs as well that's processed, and it's all cleaned up and EQ'd. With a high-quality 24-bit A to D and D to A converter, as well as having a 31-band graphic and parametric EQ, which you can adjust. It's very cool the way you can do that. Of course, high-pass filters will be available, low-pass filters, even bandpass on each output. And you can adjust each frequency by 1 hertz increments, up to about 48 decibels per octave on slope. Of course, it also has a time correction and phase adjustment, so you can really go into town with all the adjustments on this amplifier. And then, of course, you've got one of the controls you can do it is the remote here that you can put in your car. You can adjust some of the features right there. You can use your smartphone and connect to the amplifier DSP via Bluetooth, which is really nice. You can adjust everything on your iPhone, and then if you really want to go crazy and adjust every little fine detail, then you want to bring out your laptop. Alpine has a really cool app that you can adjust everything on and go way more into detail than what the app does. It's a really cool system here. Okay everybody, so that is the Alpine PXE-0850S. If you have any questions getting this into your car, give Crutchfield a call. We'll be here to help you out.